Hey guys, Sean Alexander, Apex Pressure Cleaning. It's been a long time since we've posted a video. We've been out working, doing a lot of cleaning up here in Michigan, and I thought I'd put together another video real quick. We are still building systems. We have two here. We've changed a couple things since our last couple videos. We put together new systems now using the GF valves. We were having some issues with the Pentair valves. They didn't seem to travel real well, if you know what I mean. You put them in a box and UPS bounces them around, and by the time they got to the finished or to the end user, there's a couple of them that we would have to replace because they were cracking. So we stepped away from the Pentair valves, and we've now started using the GFs. So I just wanted to bring you a quick video here with our two latest systems. We built one of each. We have a 7-gallon a minute Remco Fat Boy here, 100 PSI, and we have the tried and true 5.3 gallons per minute Remco. This is a 60 PSI pump. This is our soft wash system for the new person starting out. It's not a perfect system, but it'll get somebody going and into the business making money, and you're not going to go into debt doing it with these two machines. So let's just kind of go over the features of what we have here. First things first, the heart of it, 5.3 gallon per minute, 60 PSI Remco pump. These are made in America. They are fed by a custom-made proportioner or mixed manifold. This is an anodized aluminum block. It has 3/4 inch inlet. Has a 3/4 inch inlet on this side that is capped, so the end user can obviously uncap this and use it as a straight through bypass if they're looking to. It does come with 3 GF valves. It comes with obviously the check valves. Everything's good to go. The pump itself is turned on by a marine grade switch, all fully wired with 10 gauge wire. All the wiring I add to the machines is 10 gauge. So, you shouldn't have any overheating issues with the pump or the wiring based on current flow. So you should be all right there. The machines come with a battery box, obviously, all aluminum construction. In our newest machines, we started building out. We're building a nice, easy, basic soft wash wand. This is not the perfect setup for every use, but it will get somebody going. Stainless steel connector here. You add a J-rod. In between the outlet side of the pump and the wand, we've made it so you can just use a standard garden hose. Any garden hose should work on this. Everyone probably has a garden hose. You should be able to easily connect a garden hose here. If you want to eventually step up to a hose reel, you can adapt these, okay? So you can make that work. But the quickest, easiest way to do things now, throw a garden hose in there, turn the pump on, start spraying. All right, so it gives you a little holder here for the wand so you don't lose it. But the 7-gallon per minute machine also has a wand. The two machines are identical except for the pumps themselves. Now, Eli, if you come around back, each machine has a battery maintainer built into the unit. That way you can keep the battery charged. When you're done for the day, run a drop cord to the battery maintainer. You don't have to disconnect the battery from the machine at all. All you have to do is run a drop cord to the maintainer, and it will charge the battery back up. We use a system very similar to this, and it takes if you do 3 or so jobs in a day with it, it'll charge up overnight. So if you walk back around front there, I will go over what comes with every kit. Again, you get everything you see here. What you, the end user, would need to add, you need to add a garden hose for the output side of the pump. You need to add a marine grade deep cycle battery. You can get those at Walmart. We use the Group 24 Deep Cycle Marine battery from Walmart. It's never let us down. You get the instruction manual for the the maintainer. You get the instruction manual for the Remco pumps. And then you get the instructions for the GF valves. These are genuine GF valves. They're not knockoffs that I can tell. Each of the valves does have its own barcode on it, and it comes with the paperwork. Now, each machine also includes 3 drop sticks. You get 100 inches of 1/4 inch braided tubing with a soap filter for your surfactant. It comes with the clamps. Everything's good to go. I recommend doing this easy. Use a 5-gallon bucket, or even easier, use the container the surfactant comes in. Take the lid off, drop your drop stick in, hook it up to the proportioner, and you're good to go. We have a water drop stick as well. The water drop stick has the stainless filter on it. Do not use this for the bleach, as the bleach will corrode and degrade that little strainer there. But each of the bleach and the water drop sticks come 10 feet of poly braided hose. If you need anything more than that, you can easily get the stuff locally at Home Depot, anywhere. So you have a water drop stick. Again, all clamps. It comes with a second piece of PVC. Each one of these is about 20 inches long. If you put them together, it's perfect size for a 55-gallon plastic barrel. That's what we designed the system to use. You can get a couple 55-gallon plastic barrels on Marketplace for 10 to 12 bucks a piece, and use them for your water and bleach barrels. Here is the bleach drop stick. There is no filter on the bleach drop stick because bleach, as we know, is very corrosive. It will just eat that filter away. So just leave the open end in the bottom of the container and you're good to go. Again, 10 feet of bleach drop stick with the same connector to make it so you can use these with a 55-gallon drum. So you're asking, hey, what do I need to add to make this thing usable right off the bat? 55-gallon plastic drums, used. Get them from car washes, anywhere on Facebook Marketplace. So you're looking at about $25 for the 2 barrels. Okay? You need a bucket for your surfactant, or use a surfactant jug it came with. So let's call that 0. You don't need anything there. You need a $100 battery from Walmart. Okay, go to Walmart, spend $89.95, whatever it is, on a Group 24 Deep Cycle battery. Put it in the box, you're set. And then you need a garden hose. 100-foot of garden hose, maybe 200-foot of garden hose. My recommendation, buy 2 100-foot sections of garden hose. Screw them together, make sure those gaskets are good so it doesn't leak. Check them often. And you need a J-rod. You can get a J-rod anywhere. You can get good ones from Doug Rucker, or you can get cheap ones from Amazon. Okay? But you need a J-rod. Make sure you get the appropriate size J-rod. If you need to know, let me know. I can tell you which ones to get. You get a J-rod that's got too big an orifice, you're not going to get the performance out of the pump. You get one with too small of an orifice, and it's going to take you forever. So that's all you need. What is that? Another $125 worth of stuff, maybe? And you're out soft washing with the 12-volt pump. All right, so big news right now. These 2 are available. They're for sale. The 7-gallon a minute system will run you $1,650. The 5.3 gallon a minute Remco system will run you $1,500. If you are in the lower 48 states, I will ship them to you $25 each, flat rate shipping. I just sent one out to Washington State the other day. It cost me 60 bucks, whatever. I'll eat the rest of it. All right? If you're local to Michigan, hell, come see me. Pick it up. I'll test it in front of you and make sure everything works. But, again, these 2 are available. I have one 7-gallon a minute system. I have one 5.3 gallon a minute system. $1,500 for the 5.3, $1,650 for the 7-gallon a minute. And again, if you're in the lower 48 states, we'll ship them to you for 25 bucks. All right? Call us. There's the number. Get these. They're going to go fast. Today is Saturday. What is it, June 24th? Today is the 24th of June, Saturday, 2003. If you see this video when it comes up, call me. If you want one, put your name on it. I take Venmo, I take Cash App, something like that. I don't have a credit card reader, so that's kind of the way I'm doing it. If you got a Zelle bank, we take Zelle. Get these out. I can ship them out on Monday morning. They will get to you in a week, tops. Okay? If you want one, 810-284-2545. Call me. See you guys.